Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2012 Piaggio MP3 Yourban LT. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's have a close look at this Piaggio. Does have a spare key in the pack. So what we'll do, we'll get a good close look all around it, get a look at the condition so you can see for yourself. There are a few marks and scratches on this. Yeah, look in the at the front here. These are a three-wheeler, so you can actually ride these on a car licence. So you don't need a bike licence to ride this. So always a good option if you want a bike but you haven't got a licence. This is the one. Look at the suspension under there. Get a look at the plastics. It is in blue and white, this. Get a look low down there. There's loads of space under the seat as well, these, so you can fit a helmet under there. It is a 300cc, this one. It's a 300 LT. You get your fold down foot pegs there. Get a look over the top of the seat. Let's move over and get a look at the back. We'll move around to the right hand side. You can see this is one of the requirements. It does have to have a foot brake. That's one of the requirements for you to be able to ride these with a car licence. So there's the two brakes on the two brakes up on the handlebars, and then you've got your back brake that's on the floor there. We'll finish up over on this right hand side. Looking at the suspension on this side. What we'll do, we're going to take a look at the controls and get the mileage off it for you. Okay, let's have a look at the controls. So you've obviously got your front brake, throttle on this side, your kill switch. This button here, this makes the front stand up, so it'll stand up without centre stand. So once you pull that down, it'll drop and move away. Now you must be sat on it for it to do that. It has a little sensor in the seat as well. And then you've got your starter and your mode button, which goes through the LCD dash. Then over on the other side, you've got your back brake, you've got your lights, indicators, horn, and your hazards. This down here, that's a handbrake. Stop it rolling away, because you can leave it obviously on no stand because it'll stand up on the three wheels. And obviously you've got your foot brake down at the bottom there. So let's flick this on and see what mileage is showing. It's showing 7,150 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in particular in close up, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.